Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. On March 6, 1990, an SR-71 Blackbird flew from LA to DC in 64 minutes at an average speed of 2124 meters per hour. Tajikistan in Central Asia is home to some of the world's tallest peaks, including the Pamir Mountains. Sleep problems triggering mental health issues suggest new study. 46% of couples engage in Netflix cheating, watching Netflix shows without their partner even when they have agreed to watch it together. How old were you when you learned that the lines of the solo cups is there so you can measure the amount of alcohol? Highest temperatures ever recorded. The original copy of the Indian Constitution is the longest handwritten constitution in the world. It was handwritten by Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada in the following italic style. Don't ever get in a relationship with someone who does not laugh at the same thing you do. It's a set failure. There are still many active minefields in Croatia near or within towns. The average adult at rest inhales and exhales something like 7 or 8 liters of air per minute and 11,000 liters of air in a day. Harley Davidson also design bikes according to your choice. You can also ask for your own color schemes and styles. New has become the world's first whole country recognized as a dark sky place by the International Dark Sky Association. Pointing a laser at an airplane in the US can get you up to 20 years in prison. Almost 99% mass of the human body is made up of 6 elements: oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus. The line at the McDonald's at the grand opening of the first McDonald's in Moscow, January 31st, 1990. Capital Small Finance Bank is India's first small finance bank. Started its banking operations in April 2016 in Jalandhar, Punjab. Falling Book Sculpture by Alicia Martin in Spain. Record-breaking stellar black hole found lurking close to Earth. According to Oregon State University, prolonged exposure to blue light, which comes from the phone, computer, may accelerate aging. Even if it does not reach your eyes, it can also damage cells in the brain as well as retinas. World's first dog-fox hybrid discovered in Brazil. A bank robbery must take place during office hours, otherwise it's considered a burglary. Nearly 80% of an elephant's day is spent eating. You can purchase a consumer account for $1 on the dark market. Spider-Man is the most profitable superhero in the world, generating more licensing revenue than the Avengers, Batman and Superman combined. More than 77% of organizations do not have a cybersecurity incident response plan. Humans have specialized scent receptors for things that smell like cheese. There is a hacker attack every 39 seconds. India leads the world in ethical hackers, 23% live there. The US is number 2 with 20%. Dehydration can harm your mood and energy levels. Drink enough water to ensure you're always at your best. France sent the first cat into space in 1963. Felicite was the stray cat from the streets of Paris and was one of 14 cats trained for spaceflight. She survived the flight but was euthanized 2 months later for the examination of her brain. Make a homemade Wendy's Frosty. Add 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla, half teaspoon chia seeds and 8 to 10 ice cubes. The vocal distress signal Mayday comes from the French term m'aider, which means help me. If you need to use it to call for help, be sure to say it 3 times in a row so potential first responders will know it's a legitimate distress call. The smoke from the US West Coast wildfires is visible from nearly 1 million miles away. This photo was taken by NASA's EPIC camera on board the NOAA's Deep Space Environment Observatory on September 9, 2020. A writer was upset with an online review of his book, so he traveled to Scotland, hunted down the reviewer, went to the store she worked at, and hit her in the back of the head with a wine bottle. Worst food for your body parts. Brain chips. Eyes noodles. Skin milk chocolate. Heart palm oil. Bones soda. Lungs, cigarette and smoking. Digestion, cornflakes and sugar cereals. Thanks for watching.